What happened to your iPhone if someone access your password? If your iPhone is taken away from you, with the password alone, your iPhone might be wiped out completely, thereby missing out all your digital information. But there is a particular settings inside iPhone that a lot of users ignore. This setting is very powerful to the extent that it prevents any intruder, even after access your password, from changing anything from your iPhone. Your turn on my location will not be activated. Your face ID cannot be changed. Another important settings that prevent your iPhone cannot be altered. That is why you need to watch this video and turn on these settings, and if anybody tries to make a settings, it has to wait for 1 hour because this requires your face ID to unlock. To do this, go to the settings and tap on it. Scroll up and tap on face ID and passcode. Provide your password if you have any here. Then scroll down to the base of this page until you see stolen device protection. If this is not turned on, make sure you tap on it and turn it on. This add another layers of security to your iPhone in the event that is stolen and someone knows your passcode. So it requires security delay. The first one is anyway from familiar location. If this is taken from a familiar location, then they have to wait for at least 1 hour because this requires your face ID. And after 1 hour, if they try to make any changes from this, it's going to require another 1 hour because this cannot be changed. And if it is always, a delay will always be required to change the security settings. So it is always advisable to turn on stolen device protection on your iPhone. This is another security layers on iPhone that helps you protect your iPhone even if it is stolen from you. If you get this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe so that you'll be notified when we drop another important update like this.